Welcome to the Fergus Go job card overview. Now that you've created a job, let's take a closer look at how to navigate the job card in Fergus Go. It's your digital hub for managing all the details of your job whilst on the go. To get started, open a job card by tapping on a job from the home screen, calendar, or via the search tab. This is where you'll find everything you need, much like a traditional paper job card. At the top of the screen, you'll see the job type, whether it's a charge up, quote, or estimate, along with the status of the job phase. Just below that, you'll find the job phase title and description, which outline the scope of work. Need to make changes? Tap the ellipses in the top right corner and select Edit Job Phase. Now, let's talk time tracking. When you start working, tap the timer button to begin tracking your time, and don't forget to stop it when you're done. If you prefer, you can also manually add time by tapping the plus add button or scrolling down to the time entries tool. Next, you'll see job, customer, and site details. Tap on the briefcase icon to navigate to the main job. This is where you can view quotes and estimates and create additional job phases or variations of the job. Tap the pin icon to open directions in Apple or Google Maps. Want more site-specific information? Tap the site card to view site contacts and any notes that have been added. For quick communication, use the call or text buttons to contact either the main contact or the site contact. These might be the same person, like a tenant, or different people, such as a property manager. Now, let's look at the Tools section. Here's where you can add and manage details for your job. Each tool displays a badge showing how many items are already added. Forms let you complete inspections, job details, or equipment checklists. Once submitted, PDFs appear under Files. Use certificates to create and sign gas, oil, or electrical compliance certificates. In time entries, review work hours already logged, or even add manual time entries from here too. Assign and schedule allows you to add or update the employees assigned to the job and events scheduled. Use stock used to record materials, ensuring accurate cost tracking. You can search for items from a price book, add custom line items, or search from favourites. In supplier documents and purchase orders, attach supplier invoices or create POs for suppliers. Hazards is where you'll log and mitigate on-site risks with an alert symbol to highlight unresolved issues. Photos and videos let you upload images or up to 3 30-second videos per job. Access uploaded documents in Files, as long as you have the right app to open them. Use the Notes section to share important job details with your team. You can tag colleagues with the @ symbol to send them notifications. Finally, checklists help ensure every step of the job gets done the right way. When it's time to wrap up a job, head to the Invoices section. You can create quick invoices for maintenance, emergency, or one-off jobs. Plus, with Fergus Pay, you can collect credit card payments on-site. A couple of helpful tips before we finish. The blue Add button in the bottom right corner is a shortcut for adding time entries, photos, materials, and more without navigating through individual tools. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the job number, followed by a letter, like 1A. This indicates the job phase. You can break a job into phases, 1A, 1B, 1C, making it easier to track progress and invoice separately for each phase. You can do so from the main job card. If you ever need to delete a job, archive it through the Fergus web version. And that's it! We hope this video helped you to learn how to navigate the Fergus Go app with ease.